Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today is week 4 for Memy Mondays. Let me start off by saying thank you to everyone who has supported Memy Mondays, everyone who played along, everyone who liked and commented. Thank you so much for checking out the other ladies' channels and leaving comments. And then also a big thank you to all of my sponsors, guys. Wow, what a blessing. So many sponsors, like overwhelming. I'm truly thankful and grateful. Let's go ahead and get into the rules, okay? So I received a couple of messages about people not quite understanding the rules or whatnot. Now, I have several giveaways to give, guys, okay? You can go on my Instagram account and you can look under my little video. It's like a little circle. I don't know what they're called. Highlights. And I have Memy Monday sponsored. I have sponsors on there or something like that. So you guys can see all the sponsors that are going on, all the prizes that are going on if you haven't seen them yet. But I'm giving so many things away, guys. And I noticed that a lot of people have not been playing along. And I have been mentioning throughout the entire month in every video to play along with us. Use the hashtag puchysmemymondays. Like, comment, leave comments and all that good stuff, guys. So, as I said, there's some amazing giveaways going on. One of my biggest giveaways is from Glassboard Studio. It is $100 gift card to Glassboard Studio. An amazing giveaway. And I want that giveaway to be for people who are playing along, okay? Now, you don't have to, it's not a requirement you don't have to make a Memorydex to be entered into the giveaways. But as far as that Glassboard Studio one, guys, I think that it's only fair that to be entered into that giveaway, you guys will have to create a Memorydex card and use the hashtag, okay? You don't have time and all that good stuff. I totally get it, guys. This has been a month-long hop. And so I want you guys to pay attention to all the giveaways that are going on, okay? There's 9 different channels. And so there's so many different giveaways going on. Make sure you guys follow the rules. And please do not give the ladies a hard time about any of the rules because this is a month-long hop, guys, okay? And there's a lot of things going on behind the scenes in people's lives and, things of that sort. So, I'm just truly thankful for everyone who participated, all of the ladies who were in the hop, and they did such an amazing job, guys. And people are giving away different things. People got like challenges going on. Marissa was sick with COVID, like just so many things going on. And so I'm just truly thankful that even Michelle, who was not going to do a giveaway, she's actually doing a giveaway, guys, and she's giving away some stuff that I wouldn't even give away. She's giving away some carousel, guys, and I'm talking about the carousel ephemera pack. Like, when I saw her video, I was like, what are you doing, girl? Give that to me. No, but seriously, guys, there's so many different things. I'm truly thankful for all the ladies. And so as a thank you to the ladies who are working with me this month for Puchy's Memy Mondays, I'm going to also put them in the drawing for that Glassboard Studio gift card, okay? So this is what we're going to do, guys. For the Glassboard Studio giveaway, this is the one in particular that I'm talking about. Everyone who has been doing entries, okay? And in order for your entry to be valid, you have to tag me, or else I will not see it, guys. I got a lot of things going on. And for some reason on Instagram, when I look up the hashtag, I noticed that it's not showing me all of the posts. Like there's a lot of posts that I'm missing, I haven't seen, I have to search for, and all that good stuff. So whenever I see a valid post, I like to share it on my stories so that I have that and I can go back and see who are creating these entries, okay? So in order for your entry to be valid, you have to be a US, you have to be from the US because I don't think that they ship internationally, okay? That's 1. 2, you have to be a subscriber. You have to be following me and also my sponsors, okay, guys? Because they were gracious enough to, give us these giveaways. I mean, it's just so amazing. So make sure you guys are following them. And then you have to make sure that you're commenting on each week of my video. Whoever gets drawn for that, I will be checking to see that you did place a comment. You have to tag me, like I said, because guys, I can't see it. If I don't see it, I don't know as an entry. So even if you guys get a chance, if you know you've done an entry, even multiple ones, send me a screenshot if I didn't acknowledge it or something like that, because I probably did not see it. Or just send me a screenshot on Instagram just to be sure. And then what else? And then like there's one, I think her name was Daily Dose of Happiness. She's been playing along every week. Every week after we post Memy Mondays, she has been getting on Instagram and making reels and creating Memorydex cards. So and Stella's been playing along. So those entries, you guys are going to get extra entries for those who have been doing videos and all that good stuff. Okay, guys, for the Glassboard Studio prize. I want this, like I said, guys, it's a huge amount. So I'm going to be entering the ladies that are in the hop. So ladies, you're going to have an entry for that. And then everyone who's been playing along and commenting, you're going to get an entry as well for the Glassboard Studio. Okay. So guys, I'm going to choose a winner next Monday. So you still have 6 days. Sunday is going to be the last day. After Sunday, I'm not going to be accepting any more entries because Sundays are just really busy enough for me, and Mondays, it's been hard for me to keep up with this already. So Sundays are the cutoff day. All right, guys. So if you have not created a Memorydex card and you would love to be in the drawing for the Glassboard Studio giveaway, definitely create a Memorydex card. And even if you're not a YouTuber, you can post on Instagram and tag me and use the hashtag. Like I said, I'm going to put everything down in detail in the description box so you guys can read it. And then you can also do a video here on YouTube, okay? All these factors are going to be just different entries, okay? So like, for example, Stella, I know she's been posting on Instagram, and she also created a video. So that's going to be, you know, extra entries. All right, guys? So this $100 Glassboard Studio one is, like I said, a huge, $100 is insane. So I'm super grateful, and I just really, really want that to go to people who have been putting in the work, because I know we're all busy. We all have busy lives, guys. I have a busy life, especially. I didn't do Memy Mondays last year, and so this year I wanted to make sure that I did that, guys, and it's been super hard to keep up with it along with all the other ladies. So yeah, all right, enough babbling. So that's for the $100 gift card for Glassboard Studio. You have to create a Memorydex card if you want to be in the drawing for that, guys. All right. As far as all the other ones, there's still so many amazing giveaways going on. So I'm going to put because I don't want to ramble. It's already 8 minutes. Oh my God, I've been talking for 8 minutes. I'm going to put the rest of the requirements down below, okay? And again, there's 9 different channels, you guys. There's people giving away money, $25, and multiple channels. So that's like, I know for sure Sam and Beth, that's $50 right there. I can't remember. I'm so sorry who else is giving away money. I think maybe Enos. I'm not sure, guys. But make sure you guys go check out their channels and make sure you enter each and every one of those giveaways. Those are 9 chances to win those giveaways, and even more chances because I have multiple giveaways going on. Okay. All right. So that's enough about the giveaway. I will be choosing the winner on Monday. I'm going to put the dates down below because I can't think of what the dates are right now. But Sunday is the cutoff day. If you want to enter that Glassboard Studio, you want to be in the drawing, you have to create a Memorydex card, use the hashtag, and tag me. And yeah, so, and then it's going to be extra entries. You do videos, you do reels, you do posts. Those are all extra entries, more chances for you to win. I want this to be super fun. And then again, I have so many other wonderful giveaways going on. Thank you so much to all my sponsors once again. All right, let's get to business. Week 4. I don't know, guys. I'm not 100% happy with my week 4. I really wanted to like blow you guys away, but honestly, time really got the best of me. I created this flower shaped box because I figured I've already been making all these boxes. I gotta make a box for the last one. So it's this pretty heart-shaped one. flower shaped one. And I meant to do a window, but I didn't do it. I forgot. Here's the inside. I created a Memorydex base, and let's go ahead and glue it. And then, of course, you know we have to make some mini memies. So let me go ahead and put glue, hot glue, all on the bottom of this. Did I really turn my hot glue gun off? I know I didn't. I don't know what happened with that, but we'll let that dry. So I created this box, and I'm gonna glue that there. That's gonna be week 4. And then also I wanted to do some little minis. So I created these 2 little flower ones, and I'm just gonna go ahead and make this really simple, you guys, because like I said, I didn't have the time that I really wanted. I wanted to do something amazing. I don't know. I feel like this year I wasn't as creative as I have been the other years for Memy Mondays. Like I said, I've been having a lot going on. It was so hard for me to even choose like what collection to play with. All these little factors, they kind of like go through my head when I'm creating. And I had no clue what collection to use, what kind of theme to go with. And so it started as something, and it just turned out as this. But definitely check out the other years as well, guys. Oh my God, there's so many amazing Memorydex cards over the years as well. And I can't wait to see what all the ladies did for week 4. Let me know how you guys enjoyed Memy Mondays this month, this year for the, and I just want, again, I want to thank you guys. This has been a month-long hop. And I'm super, let me put another glue stick in here. I think that's what the problem is. I'm super happy that we were able to all come together and make this happen. So as a thank you to my ladies, I'm going to enter them into that giveaway, guys. And I hope that you all feel the same way. And you agree with me on that. I don't know what's going on with my glue gun right now. All right, so let's go ahead and glue this. So make sure you guys leave a comment down below and let me know, are you guys planning on creating a Memorydex card? It's been so many people. I really thought that it was going to be so many people to participate, and it has not been. It's been like probably the least amount of people who've participated over the years, which I'm really sad about. But again, I want that $100 gift card from Glassboard Studio to go to someone who you know, participated and actually created with us. Okay, guys? So hopefully, yeah, that's what it's gonna be. All right, guys, I'll leave all the information down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I hope that you guys really enjoyed Memy Mondays. I had a lot of fun, and I'm so happy for all the new people who've never heard of Memy Mondays and came and joined, you know, watched and left comments on all the other ladies' videos as well. And I'm gonna put my little mini memies in here. I'm probably gonna create some more, but that is my project for week 4. I love you all. I will catch you next Monday, okay, is when I'll be having the drawing, and entries stop Sunday. All right, make sure you guys leave a comment with the bows. I'm going to be watching for that. Tons of giveaways to be given away. So don't worry. If you do not have the time to participate, or if you can't participate, you don't want to participate, that is totally fine. You will still be entered into the drawings for the giveaway. But again, that $100, I wanted to go to someone who actually participated and played along with us. All right, I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.